Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever wrestled with a heavy power tool across a crowded garage or tried to reposition a drill press only to realize it's practically bolted in place, you know how frustrating workshop inefficiency can be. Today, we're diving into a solution that promises to bring serious mobility to your stationary tools, the Bora Portamate PM-1100. At first glance, it's not the tool itself you're buying, but the smart engineering behind a system that transforms how you interact with your workspace. This isn't about convenience alone, it's about rethinking layout, efficiency, and control. I've spent weeks building and testing this system on real tools in a real workshop, and what I've found is a blend of thoughtful design, surprising challenges, and a few unexpected compromises. Let's break down whether this $41 investment truly delivers where it counts. Alright, let's talk about the Bora Portamate PM-1100 mobile base kit, a tool I've been eyeing for a while and finally picked up for $41. Honestly, for what it does, that price point feels like a no-brainer. If you're like me, working out of a garage, basement, or even a tight workshop space, mobility is key. You don't want to be lugging around heavy tools every time you need to shift them. This system gives you the ability to turn almost any stationary tool, like a bandsaw, drill press, or even a bench grinder, into something that rolls smoothly across your workspace. The design is universal, meaning you build your own base out of plywood or lumber, which lets you customize the size, shape, and even add extra storage if needed. That kind of flexibility is huge, especially when your tools have awkward footprints or stands that don't play nice with precise bases. It's a smart, modular solution that puts you in control of the build. I recently used this to build a mobile base for my compound miter saw, which sits on a stand with those flared-out V-legs. My old rectangular mobile base was a nightmare, constantly getting in the way when I needed to stand in front of the saw. With the Portamate PM-1100, I ditched that clunky frame and built a custom H configuration using one X6S and a 2x4 down the center. That gave me clearance where I needed it and kept everything stable. Assembly was pretty straightforward, but I'll be honest, take your time drilling the holes for the corner brackets. I recommend using a drill press if you have one. I didn't, and a couple of my holes came out a little crooked, which made alignment tricky. A little reaming out with a larger bit fixed it, but it would have gone smoother with better setup. Pro tip: plan your wheel placement carefully, especially whether you want the swivel casters on the long or short ends, because once it's bolted together, it's not easy to switch. Once it's built, the real magic happens in the mobility. The base lifts your tool off the ground with those clever foot levers. Just step down on both sides, and the wheels take the weight, letting you roll your heavy setup across the garage like it's nothing. It's incredibly satisfying when it works right. The 400-pound capacity gives me peace of mind, and I've moved everything from grinders to full-size drill presses without hesitation. The clearance is solid, and the wheels roll really well on concrete and even slightly uneven surfaces. But here's where I need to be honest. The wheel locking mechanism is a letdown. More than once, I've stepped off the levers only to find one or both wheels didn't fully re-engage with the floor, leaving the tool wobbly. A few other users have mentioned this, and I even had to shim one lever with duct tape temporarily just to get it to catch. That's not the kind of fix you expect from a brand like Bora, especially when the rest of the build feels so solid. It's a design flaw that really needs addressing. Now let's talk about construction quality, because overall, I'm impressed. The steel frame components feel heavy-duty, the welds are clean, and the powder coating seems durable. The casters themselves roll smoothly and have decent tread, so they're not chewing up your floor or getting stuck on small debris. I also appreciate that Bora includes multiple bolt lengths in the kit, one set for 3/4 inch plywood, another for 1/2 inch, which shows they thought about different build scenarios. But here's a small gripe. Both sets were just a bit too long on my build, and the bolts nearly scraped the ground. I ended up trimming them down, which wasn't hard, but it's an odd oversight for a product that's otherwise well thought out. You'd think they'd include a self-tapping or flush mount option to avoid that. Still, once everything's tightened up, the whole base feels rock solid under a loaded tool. No wobble, no flex, just stability. One thing I love is how this system encourages smart workshop organization. Since you're building your own platform, you can design in extra features like storage cubbies, tool mounts, or even a lower shelf for accessories. I added a couple of scrapwood ledges to hold my miter saw's extension wings, and it made the whole setup way more functional. And because it rolls freely, I can tuck the saw into a corner when not in use and roll it out when I need it, huge for small spaces. If you're juggling a car in the garage or sharing space with other projects, that kind of flexibility is priceless. It's not just about moving the tool, it's about reclaiming your workspace and making your workflow smarter. That's where this base really earns its keep. So, do I recommend the Bora Portamate PM-1100? Overall, yes, with cautious optimism. The core concept is brilliant, the build quality is strong, and the customization potential is fantastic. It solves a real problem for woodworkers and DIYers with limited space. But you've got to go in with eyes open. The locking mechanism can be unreliable, assembly demands precision, and there are a few small design oversights that feel beneath a brand like Bora. Still, for $41, it's hard to beat what you get. If you're handy with a drill and saw, you can build something that transforms your workshop's efficiency. Just double-check your alignment, plan your layout, and maybe keep a hacksaw and some tape on hand just in case. For me, it's been a game changer, minus a few frustrating hiccups along the way. If you're ready to roll out the old way of doing things, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart workshop upgrades. The Bora Portamate PM 1100 might need a tweak here and there, but with the right setup, it's a smooth rolling win. Stay sharp, build strong, and never stop improving your space, one wheel at a time.